Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home and I am also waiting to see you all. Today we are going to learn another important grammar chapter, direct and indirect speech. Before that, please take your English classwork note and write down these notes. Direct and indirect speech. What is the direct and indirect speech we should know? Our spoken words can be delivered in two ways. Our spoken words can be delivered in two ways. One is in a direct way we can deliver and another one is indirect way we can deliver. So what is then direct way? When we quote the exact words spoken by a person, we call it direct speech. Exact words of the speaker must be quoted in direct speech. I have given an example here. Ravi said to Mohan, I am going to school. Now Ravi is telling to Mohan, I am going to school. So this is his exact words. So these words must be quoted. That is direct speech. And what is indirect speech? We may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect speech. Here also something we are telling. Without using his exact words, if we convey the message, that is indirect speech. So see here, Ravi told Mohan that he was going to school. Now we made some changes. He was going to school, this is not his exact words. So now I hope you would have understood this. What is direct speech and what is indirect speech? What is direct speech? Exact words of the speaker must be quoted. And what is indirect speech? We will not use the exact words of the speaker. That is indirect speech. And in this portion, we have to learn something. Reporting class and reported speech. Look at this example now. Ravi said to Mohan, I am going to school. So in this sentence, there are two parts. One is reporting class and another one is reported speech. I have written something there before inverted commas. Whatever we use, that is reporting class, and within the quotation whatever we use, that is reported speech. So this is reporting class, that is before inverted commas, and within this inverted commas whatever we write, that is reported speech. So now we should know how to convert the direct sentences into indirect way. Before that, we should know some rules. Find out the sentence. Sentences are of four types. Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So first, before converting that into indirect speech, first point, find out the sentence. We have to find out the type of sentence. Second point, the reporting verb must be changed, but the tense of the reporting verb is never changed. And look at that example. This is reporting verb. This is reporting verb. And this one only we are going to change according to the types of sentence. So this is assertive sentence. I am going to school. This is assertive sentence, and according to this reporting verb must be changed. And the third point is remove the comma and the quotation marks. So here when we are moving to the third point, this comma and the quotation mark must be removed. And the fourth point is add suitable conjunction after the reporting verb. So here we have added that as a conjunction. So what is that fourth point? Add suitable conjunction after the reporting verb. If there is any object after reporting verb, then change said to told and say to tell. So we should know the object also. Here Ravi said. If it is given Ravi said, then there is no object in this sentence. So Ravi said. To whom did he said? Mohan. So this is object. So if there is object in the reporting class, we have to change this reporting verb said to into told, or if it is given say here, again you have to write say as it is. And the fifth point is pronoun must be changed. Sixth point is tense form must be changed. And the sixth point is time and place concept must be changed. So let us see the example here. Pronoun must be changed. Here I. How it is changed here as he. And the next one is tense form must be changed. Here am is there, this is present tense, and here was is there, this is past tense. So tense form must be changed. And the next one is time and place concept must be changed. Let me explain you one by one as a rule. Okay, now we learnt about the rules, how to convert direct speech sentences into indirect speech sentences. In that rules, as a second point, I told you something, the reporting verb must be changed according to the sentence. So now let us see the reporting verbs, how should we change that into indirect. So sentences are of 4 types. So first is statement. So if it is a statement and if you are reporting verb in direct speech say or says, it will be changed as it is say or says. Say to, tell. Why have we written here tell? Because after this reporting verb, if object is present, you will change this into tell. And said means as it is you will write said, and said to means told, because you may find object here. And if it is an interrogative sentence, said or said to. In indirect speech, your reporting verb must be asked or questioned or inquired. In these 3 words, you can choose any one, and if you go with the word asked, that is the best part. And the third one is imperative, and here also whether it may be said or said to, you can choose any one of these: ordered, commanded, requested, advised, warned or suggested. You can choose any one word according to the sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Here also only one word you can use it in the indirect speech, that is exclaimed. Whether it is said or said to in your direct speech, exclaimed will be the word. And while reading the sentence itself, you will come to know whether it is a happy exclamation or sad exclamation. If it is happy exclamation, you can write exclaimed happily, or if it is sad exclamation, you can write exclaimed sadly. So this is what about the reporting verb, you can learn it. And the next one I said, add suitable conjunction. In our lower class, we would have learnt add suitable conjunction that. But actually, that alone will not be suitable for all the 4 types of sentences. So even the connecting word or conjunction According to the sentence, it differs. So, if it is a statement, your conjunctional word must be that. If it is interrogative sentence, and under interrogative sentence, you have two types of questions. One is WH questions and the second one is yes or no questions. If it is a WH questions, your conjunctional word should be the same question word. For example, if your question starts with what? That same word will be used as a conjunction. If it is starting with when, then that same word will be used as a conjunction. And yes or no questions. If it is a yes or no questions, your conjunctional word is if or whether. In this two, you can choose any one, whether it may be if or whether. And if it is an imperative sentence, you can use to or not to. To is for affirmative sentence, that is for positive sentences, and not to for negative sentences. And next is for exclamatory sentence, and for that also that is the conjunctional word. So, once again we will recollect. If it is a statement, your conjunctional word is that, and if it is exclamatory sentence, your conjunctional word is that. But if it is interrogative sentence, in that for WH questions you will use the same word as a conjunction, and if it is a yes or no questions, if or whether can be used. The next point is time and place concept must be changed. So, here we are going to see here words expressing nearness in time or place generally changed into words expressing distance. So, the closed one, we are just explaining that into the distance one. So, this will be changed into that. These will be changed into those. Here, there, ago, before, now, then, thus, so. These words you will remember and you will change easily. And the next one, yesterday. If you see the word yesterday in direct speech, how will you change that? So, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day or the following day, today, that day, or this day also will be changed into that day only. So, last week, last month, if it comes, you have to write the previous month, the previous week. So, these words you have to keep in your mind, time and place concept. And then changes in pronoun. First person pronoun, that is I and we. First person pronoun, that is I and we, will not change in the indirect speech if that I or we in the reporting class also present. I have given an example here. I said I do my homework. Here the first person pronoun I is present, and you just see in the reporting class also the same pronoun is present. So, if it is like this, when you change into indirect, that pronoun will not be changed. Look at the sentence, I said that I did my homework. So, here pronoun is not changed. Then look at the second sentence, he said I don't want to shock people. So, here also the same pronoun I is present, but look at the reporting class before the reporting verb, pronoun is changed. So, if it is like this, then when you change into indirect, your pronoun part will be changed according to the subject. So, please make a note, first person pronoun I and we, if it is present in the direct speech, you have to look at the pronoun here also. If both are same, you will not change the pronoun in the indirect speech. But the same first person pronoun I and we, if it is present in the direct speech as a subject, If some other pronoun or name is there, according to that it will be changed into he or she. And the next one is second person pronoun you. You is changed according to the object of the reporting verb. So what did I tell? This is the object. Rani said to her. So this portion is object, and according to this only your second person pronoun will be changed. So here the pronoun is she. So how did we change this? According to the object. So Rani told her that she was cute. And the third person pronoun he, she, it will not be changed in the indirect speech also. As it is, you will be writing he, she, it. So in this class, what did we learn? Let us recollect. First we studied what is direct speech and indirect speech. And second thing we studied rules to be remembered or followed before doing the conversion. So what is that first step? Find out the sentence. Second point, reporting verb must be changed. And the third point is add suitable conjunction. Fourth point is remove comma and the quotation marks before converting that into indirect speech. And then fifth point, pronoun must be changed. Sixth point, tense form must be changed. Time and place concept must be changed. Let me meet you in the next video with the tense form changes. Thank you so much.